Hey everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to install R and RStudio. So first of all, we have to go to Google Chrome or any browser, and then we have to search R download. So please remember, when you want to use RStudio, at that time R has to be installed in your PC. So when you search R download, you will see this first website, cran.r-project.org. If you just see the first link, it says download R 4.3.1 for Windows. Let us click on that. Once you click on that, it is a 79 megabytes for 64-bit. And if you can click on this, it will ask you to save that file. So let me save it on my desktop. And by the time, let me also download RStudio. So you have to search RStudio download. And you will see this first website, posit.co. You just go there, and here there is an option for install RStudio. This is the first option is install R, but here it is install RStudio. So we want to install RStudio. I click on this download RStudio, and it will also ask me to save the file, setup file. Let me save it on the desktop. So it is downloading. By the time we'll start installation with R. So I'll minimize the thing. And this is my R setup. So let me just double click on this. Click on yes to the pop-up box that it is showing. And then you can select your language. So let it be by default English. And here you just need to click on the next. And this is the location where this will be installed. So in C program files R, and in that this our setup will be installed. So let me click on the next. Let me click on the next. Do you want to customize startup? No, accept default. Next, next, next. And it has started installing R into our system. And you can click on the finish. Now R is installed. It's time to install RStudio. Here, this is the setup of RStudio. So I'll double click on this and click on yes to the pop-up box. Click on the next. It is again showing you the destination folder where this program will be installed. So on C drive, program files and RStudio, that folder will be there. Click on the next, next or install, and it has started installing RStudio to our system. And then you can click on the finish. So R and RStudio has been installed to our system. You can see the shortcut for this R, it is already there. So you can click and open this, double click on that and open it. And you will see this R is coming over there, and here you can find this. Now how to access RStudio? So you can click on the window button on your system and then search for RStudio. And you will see this option. Just click on that. And RStudio is open, and it is asking you for the first time to link R with RStudio, and by default it is showing that which version you would like to connect with. So here by default, use your machine's default that you have to select, and if you have multiple versions of R installed on your system, you can click on this choose specific version, and here list of all the version you will be able to see, and you can select that particular version that you want to use. Here I want to use machine's default 64-bit version of R. So I'll select the first one and then click OK, and my RStudio will open now. This is for the first time, so it is taking a little bit of time. Otherwise, it can open seamlessly. And now it is asking for enable automated crash reporting. So that means whenever your RStudio crash due to any reason, at that time, do you want to send this report to this community? Then you can click on yes, otherwise you can click on no. So I'm selecting no at this point of time. You can always go to the global setting and turn it on. Let me maximize it. And here we have this console, and I can create a new R script where I can write down and to run this, I have to press Ctrl Enter, and you can see here it is running over there. So this is how you can install R and RStudio to your system. Hope it will be useful. Thank you so much. and subscribe to our channel for more such videos on data analytics and operational excellence. Thank you so much.